If you're dealing with health issues that have been hard to resolve and you want to improve your performance in whatever your hobby is or your sport is, or just improve your performance in life, I've got some suggestions today. Remember, I am not a doctor. This is all from personal experience, and I am a nutritionist, however. I'm a certified nutritionist. And what helped me tremendously, my whole life I had different health issues. I had frozen shoulder, I had joint problems, I had hemorrhoids, I had fissures, which are extremely painful. I had sinus infections all the time. I used to get sick numerous times every year with the flu. If a bug was going around, I got it. So I've been able to solve most of those problems. Now, I know we're all, heading towards the grave, okay? But, you want to stay functional. You want to live as long as possible. So here's my suggestions. Number one, fuel. You need good fuel. Now, I happen to recommend a vegan diet. The reason for that, the reason I'm passionate about it is because it helped me so much. As soon as I went on that kind of a diet, I eliminated so many of my problems. And that's why I promote it. It works for me. I'm a human being. You're a human being. It'll work for you. So what did I do? Okay, I'm on, a high fruit diet. I eat a lot of fruit. But I am not, please get this straight, I am not a fruitarian. I eat other foods, especially leafy greens. I love leafy greens. Vegetables, the cruciferous, the broccoli, the tomatoes, the cucumbers, the beans, the peas, string beans, things like that. I put those in my salads. And what I'll also add to salads at night, I may add some jasmine rice. I may add some sweet potatoes or regular gold potatoes. I love the gold potatoes. And those help you, get that savory taste at night. It's not just sweet fruit all the time. So, and I make my own dressings. I'm on a low-fat diet. Low fat. Hardly any fat, okay? That's the key for me. And I think it works, especially if you have a problem, if you have a health issue that you've been struggling with, or you've got a certain diagnosis. Try this. Try eating just fruit for breakfast, and then have your normal lunch and dinner, but I would try and make it vegan as much as possible. After you do that for a while, and you're used to fruit all the time for breakfast, start having fruit for breakfast and lunch. That's a very good idea. Now, you're going to hydrate yourself so much. You're going to have fiber to keep things moving along in the digestive tract. And then, once you've done that for a while, try having fruit for breakfast, lunch, and then before dinner, have some more fruit. Why do I say before? The reason I say that is because fruit goes through our digestive tract very quickly. 15 minutes, boom, it's out of your stomach, moving along, and now your body, your stomach is ready to take in the big salad, or maybe the sweet potatoes, or the rice and the beans. It can take it in now. and it's not going to be, fermenting with fruit, because the fruit is already out of your stomach in 15 minutes. Whereas if you had eaten the fruit after dinner, the fruit sits on top and ferments and causes havoc with your digestion. You get bloating, you get gas, so forth. So that's my suggestion. If you can get to that point where you're having fruit for breakfast and lunch, and then fruit before dinner, not a huge amount, but enough to satisfy your sweet tooth. Every human being has a sweet tooth. We're designed with that sweet tooth. That's why our first food that God gave us was fruit. So that's why you want to have that fruit before dinner. That way you will not be craving sweetness after dinner. You don't want cookies, cakes, and ice cream after dinner. That's going to really mess up your digestion. So the fuel is super important, and also exercising is super important. Today I've got, what is it here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 exercises that I'm doing. I'm doing the sled. I do reverse sled, I do forward sled, 150 yards of each. If you have access to a sled at a gym, it is a fantastic workout. It's like a cardio. It's like, it can push you to the limit there. Then I'm going to do tib raises, which are that tibialis. It's the muscle next to the shin bone that helps you stop quickly and helps you go down stairs. So you want that for whatever your sport is, and you want that to walk down stairs as you age. Then I'm doing the bent leg calf raise, very important muscle for the soleus muscle in the back of the calf there. It's been associated with longevity, keeping that muscle strong. Keeping your muscles strong is one of the keys to living a long life. Poliquin step-ups, very good for the knee. You don't want knee problems. And then the last exercise is Nordics, okay, where you're exercising the hamstrings, which can help you run. The glutes also help you run. So those are the exercises. I'm going to show you just briefly what I did with these. I did tib raises. I did 95 in total reps, 3 sets. I did 30, 30, and 35. And then the bent leg calf raises, I did 3 sets, 15 reps per set, 45 reps total. Poliquin step-ups, I did 55 reps. I did 15 with no weight. I show you how I do them assisted. And then I did 15 and 10 with 8 pounds. I had a little load there. And then I did 15 more with no weight with the poles for a total of 55 reps. And then the Nordics, I did a total of 40 reps. 4 sets, 10 reps per set. So it was a heavy-duty workout, and it keeps you going. Motion is lotion. Remember that. You got to keep the body moving, but give it the right fuel, and you're going to see a huge difference in your performance. If you are a tennis player or whatever your sport is, golf, whatever, it doesn't matter. Bowling, it could be bowling. You're going to improve your performance. Everything gets better when you eat clean and exercise. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please give me a like, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel if it's your first time here. And you'll see more tips on how to stay healthy, basically. That's what this channel is about, trying to stay healthy. And I'm open, you know. So if you have any suggestions, please drop me a comment. All the best, guys. Take care. Adios.